Police erected a ring of steel around Tommy Robinson supporters this morning as the far-right leader appeared at the Old Bailey for an aborted hearing of his alleged contempt of court. The 35-year-old English Defence League founder addressed a crowd of several hundred backers this morning outside the court, telling them, "No matter what happens today, I've already won." A significant police presence shut off the road outside court ahead of today's demonstration, surrounding the crowd of Robinson's supporters with a ring of metal barriers and separating it from a counter-protest and representatives of the media. Robinson, whose real name is Stephen Yaxley Lennon, was expected to face a hearing in front of Judge Nicholas Hilliard QC, the Recorder of London, on claims he broke a reporting restriction by broadcasting on social media from outside Leeds Crown Court during a child sex ring trial. However, the judge this morning said he was now referring the case to the Attorney General, reversing a decision he had made just last week. The judge received further submissions from Robinson yesterday which changed his mind, he said, and if the Attorney General was involved then witnesses and Robinson could be cross-examined by a prosecuting barrister. "I'm satisfied in light of the issues as they now appear, as they emerged from the statement of yesterday's date. Cross-examination of Mr. Yaxley Lennon would be necessary for there to be a proper and very thorough examination and results iron of the underlying facts, which is in the public interest." Reporting restrictions were in place on the Leeds trial at the time of Robinson's broadcast, but were last week lifted to allow publication of the fact 20 members of a Huddersfield grooming gang have been jailed for a total of 200 years. Robinson was jailed for 13 months by the trial judge in Leeds, but he was freed on appeal in August after the Court of Appeal quashed the contempt of court finding. Judge Hilliard said he will ask the Attorney General to give the case his most urgent consideration, but the case was adjourned today until a date not yet set. Robinson could be sent back to prison if he is again found of contempt of court.